Hello everyone, welcome to this Tableau tutorial. In this video, we are going to see one of the most important concept, and that is dual axis concept in Tableau. Now, what is dual axis chart? A dual axis chart in Tableau is a combination of two charts that shows the relationship between two variables. It can be used to visualize two or more measures with different scales and amplitudes. In general chart, we have these two axes, that is x and y axis. However, in dual axis chart, you have another axis, this one. Here in this chart, relation of two columns, that is profit and quantity of the dataset in respect of order date, are shown in a single chart. This is dual axis chart. Now let's go to the Tableau and understand more about it. Here we have a dataset of a superstore with its sales and profit figure. Suppose there is a visualization like right now we are dealing with. Here we have a chart of city-wise profit and another visualization, this one, which is city-wise sales. Now I would like to combine both of this chart in a single chart. Let's do it. Now this figure is called dual chart, not dual axis chart, as two charts with a single axis are showing in a single chart. Now click on this profit, select dual axis. Now change the chart types. Now just synchronize its axis so that both axes represent the same value. One important thing you might notice is that why it is called dual axis chart. This is the sales axis and this is the profit axis, and this is the city line. So two axes are present on a single visualization on a single chart. That's why it is known as dual axis chart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Tableau tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next time.